So here I have some objects and some text boxes, and these are just regular plain text boxes. So now if I want this text to fill out this shape right here, instead of shaping each letter myself, there's a smart feature we can use so we can achieve this effect by simply clicking one time. But before we can do this, we need to make sure that our object is the top layer of these two layers. If in doubt, you can just click the object, right click the object, go to Arrange and click Bring to Front. Now we made sure that our object is on top of the text box. We can also see this by simply moving the object over to the text box. And here we can see it's on top of the text box. Now you just want to select both the object and the text box. Then go to Object, go to Envelope, Distort, and click this option right here that says Make with Top Object. And now you can see our text box is filling out this shape. But just to illustrate some issues you can run into, I just included these two examples right here. So as you can tell right here, these are all capital letters. And this effect works best with capital letters, because all letters in capital letters are the same height. If you do the same effect with small letters, you'll get a result like this, where it really doesn't achieve what you want. Depending on what you want, of course. But it doesn't fill out the entire shape like capital letters do. And now in the last example, I have the objects below the text box. And here's what will happen if you do this. You will simply get a pop-up like this, and then you'll have to arrange the object to be on top. And now it would work. If you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.